Have you ever pondered over the process of adding USDT, BEP20, to your Trust wallet? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the simple steps needed to accomplish this task. Before we delve into the steps, it's crucial to understand what Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet is Binance's official crypto wallet. This handy mobile app allows you to send, receive, and store Bitcoin, among many other cryptocurrencies. You can even earn interest on your crypto, play blockchain games, collect NFTs, and access the latest dApps and DeFi platforms. Trust Wallet is not only fast and secure, but also supports Binance DEX, making it an ideal storage for your various crypto assets. You can easily download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store for iOS smartphones or the Play Store for Android devices. Now let's move on to the steps for adding the USDT BEP20 token to the Trust Wallet. Firstly, tap on the Home button of your Trust Wallet. This will take you to the main screen of your wallet. Secondly, select the Manage Crypto option. This will lead you to a list of cryptocurrencies. Next, scroll down the list until you find Tether USDT BEP20. Once found, enable the switch next to it. Ensure the network is set to BNB Smart Chain. Finally, navigate back to the home screen of Trust Wallet. Here you should see that USDT BEP20 is now available. To summarize, the process of adding USDT BEP20 to your Trust Wallet involves tapping on the Home button, selecting Manage Crypto, enabling Tether USDT BEP20 on the BNB Smart Chain network, and checking your home screen to confirm the addition. It's as simple as that. Remember to subscribe and share if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insight and guidance into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, happy crypto journey!